Hello there and welcome back. In this video we are going to take a look at how you can use background tasks in BlackSheep. So let's jump right into it. Let's call this child node bgtasks.py, and in the next window I'm going to kick off my UV with the BG tasks. Okay, and let's get into the coding. So what we have to do is to import the async.io module, and from BlackSheep we have to import the application. And what else do we import? Let's import the get. And now what we would like to do is to create our app instance and create the context route. This is going to be the home, and we return welcome to background tasks. All right. Now what we would like to do is to also import a module, and this is going to be the datetime module, where we import the datetime class, and we will have a function which is called get current timestamp, and we return the datetime.now ISO format. And then we have the task that we want to execute on the application, and it will return num. And while true, we want to use the get current timestamp function that we defined, and we will have the my foo, which will come from the app.service.service provider.get, and we pass the foo, and assert is instance my foo. We can print our foo ID and say that ID my foo, and then await async.io sleep 1. And we have to define a class which is foo, and it doesn't have any function or body, so to speak, and we have to create a function async.def configure background tasks on the application, and async.io.get event loop create task is going to be what we want to use on the app. And then we can use the app.onStart to add our CBT function, and for the app.services.add services add scoped foo. And if everything goes well, we should be able to save it. App service _provider It doesn't get a service provider. Maybe we can do something else. You know what? Let's do our own example. And we just simply want to print out the current timestamp, which is going to be date time, now ISO format. Okay, and we don't need that either. So now you can see that our background task has started to run. So the official example, which I wanted to show you, is a bit more complicated. But now you can see that we can use the web application as we wish. And in the meantime, it is also running the background task. So technically, that was all I wanted to show you. See you in the next one.